Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have h plus h divided by h is equals to h, and we solve this problem for all the values of h. So here we solve this problem for two methods. I hope so you like both of these two methods. And now we move towards the solution of this problem. So here in the first method we move the term h from left hand side to the right hand side, and we get h plus h is equals to this and this are multiplied by each other, and we get h times of h. And now further you see that these are the two same variable terms, so we and added by each other, so it means that we need to add the coefficients of these two terms, and we get here 2 times of h is equals to, here two same variable terms are multiplied by each other, so here we add its exponents. So the exponent of both of these two terms are 1, so we get here h to the power of 1 plus 1 becomes here 2. And further in the next step, because here our target is to get the values of h, so that we move the term from left hand side to the right hand side. So we get this is h square, this is plus 2h becomes minus 2h, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now you see that both of these two terms involve h, so we take common h from here and we get the remaining values are, from here we get h minus, from here we get 2, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write h is equals to 0, and the second case is we write h minus 2 is equals to 0. This is the first root of the given equation, and from here we move minus 2 to the right hand side, and we get the value of h is equals to plus 2. So this is the second root of the given equation. So you see that in the first method we get these are the two roots of the given equation, and now in the next step we need to verify that is these roots be the solution or is these roots be the extraneous root. So for verification of this, we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is h plus h divided by h is equals to h. And in this side we verify h is equals to 0, and in this side we verify h is equals to 2. So when we verify these two values of h, so we substitute h is equals to 0 and h is equals to 2 on both of the sides of the given equation. So we get this is 0 plus 0 divided by 0 is equals to 0. So this will becomes 0 over 0 form is equals to 0. So you see that the left hand side becomes 0 over 0 form, and we usually call that it is the indeterminate form. So if the left hand side is indeterminate form, this means that, or in other words we say that it is undefined form. Okay, so if the left hand side is undefined, this means that both of the sides are not equal. And if both of the sides are not equal, this concludes about that the value h is equals to 0 is not satisfied our given question statement. So we call that h is equals to 0 be the extraneous root of the given equation. And now here in the same pattern we move towards our second root of the given equation, and now we put h is equals to 2 on both of the sides, and we check its behavior. So when you put it here, it will becomes 2 plus 2 divided by 2 is equals to 2. So we get 2 plus 2 becomes 4 divided by 2 is equals to 2. These 2 and 2 are gone, and we get 2 times 2 becomes 4, and we easily get 2 is equals to 2. So this shows that both of the sides are equal. And if both of the sides are equal, this concludes about that the value h is equals to 2 is satisfied our given question statement. So we finally concludes about that the solution set of the given question is h is equals to 2. So this is the only one solution which we get here in this method. And now in the next step, we need to verify that is this value of h be the solution or is this value of h be the so here we move toward the second method. So in the second method, first we need to copy down given question statement here. The given question statement is h divided by h plus h divided by h is equals to h. So here our second method will be the very straightforward or quick method. Here we quickly determine about the solution set of this problem. So here we need to break this fraction, and we write this h separately on both of these two values, and we write it as h divided by h plus h divided by h is equals to h. So this is the our given question statement, and here we move forward to the solution of this problem, and we have this h and this h are gone, and we get 1 plus this h and this h are also gone, and we get here 1 is equals to h. And now in the next step we have 1 plus 1 becomes 2 is equals to h. So you see that in the second method we get just only one value of h, and that is equals to 2. And now in the next step, also you see that in the first method we already verified that the value of h is equals to 2 is already satisfied our given question statement. So here we cannot get the second value of h, that is equals to 0, which we can find in the first method. So here we get the solution set of the given equation. So finally we have the solution set of the given question is h is equals to 2. So in the second method we get just only one solution of the given equation, and that is our final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.